Hi guys, I'm Hannah from Producers Market, and today we're going to be making a bright and beautiful mango crumble pie. We have a few steps ahead of us, so let's get started. For this step, we'll need flour, powdered sugar, cold butter, water, ground flax seeds, and salt. Our first step is to make the pie crust. In a bowl, we're going to add the flour, the powdered sugar, cold butter, water, ground flax seeds, and salt. Mix everything together until all ingredients are well incorporated. Once your crust dough is ready, wrap it in plastic wrap and refrigerate until ready to use. Then we move on to the filling. Here I have my already sliced mangoes, and we're going to add sugar, vanilla, and cinnamon. Toss all ingredients together and taste to adjust sweetness and spices. Set aside while we make the crumble. To make the crumbles, we'll need flour, brown sugar, white sugar, butter, and a pinch of salt. In a bowl, add flour, brown sugar, white sugar, cold butter, and a pinch of salt. Then with the tips of your fingers, start crumbling everything together. Once we have our chunky crumble ready, cover them up and refrigerate until we start assembling the pie. On a lightly floured surface, roll out your dough and keep the work surface dusted with flour to prevent sticking. Lay the dough in the pie pan and prick the bottom of the pie crust with a fork. Pre-bake for 10 to 15 minutes. Once the pie crust is baked, we can go ahead and assemble the pie. Place the mangoes in the pre-baked pie crust and cover with the crumbles. Bake for 45 minutes. And there you have it, a bright and beautiful mango crumble pie. What makes this pie particularly special is that we used Cairnspring Mills organic all-purpose flour. The quality of this flour truly speaks for itself. The flavors are rich and give dishes complexity and depth of flavor. Cairnspring Mills does not use industrialized processes, and they rely on traditional milling methods instead. They believe that this is the best way to produce flour that captures the amazing flavors and essential nutrition found in the wheats, bran, and germ. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time!